Hello everyone, welcome to Hangar 6. Today we're going to talk about safety, and more specifically eye protection. These are a couple of samples of different things that you can wear while you're working in the shop. These are your traditional goggles. They have vents built into them to prevent fog buildup. They're not that comfortable, but they definitely will protect your eyes as you're working in the shop. This right here are wraparound glasses. These will generally fit well over a majority of prescription glasses. They will provide protection, but not as much as the goggles themselves. This right here is the typical safety glasses that's worn in most warehouses around the US, in most shops. These are made from polycarbonate, just like everything else you see here. These are tight-fitting wraparound glasses. They're minimal obstruction. They work very well, but they still have openings in and around them that might allow debris to get into your eyes. You want to make sure they're nice and tight against your eyes. And last but not least is a full face shield. Now, sometimes you're working with materials that will spray up dust and debris all over the place. You do want to use a full face shield. And a lot of times it's recommended to use a full face shield in combination with a pair of glasses. These will protect your eyes. This will protect your entire face. While still, if any debris comes up in here, your eyes continue to be protected. And all of these are made with polycarbonate, which is the standard that will stop shrapnel, a nail, or other materials from piercing it. Thank you.